In 2050, egg production has evolved into a self-learning, fully automated biosystem.
In 2050, egg production has evolved into a self-learning, fully automated biosystem. At week 18, hens move into laying pods, quiet, low-stress environments.
Eggs travel through sealed magnetic conveyor tubes that use levitation technology to minimize shell impact.
In 2050, washing systems use nano-bubble water and medical-grade UV sterilization. The journey begins inside the Genetic Innovation Center. Fertile eggs are optimized using non-invasive genome mapping to ensure disease resistance.
Quantum-grade sensors analyze internal egg structure at the molecular level. Cracks, air cells, and yolk quality are detected instantly.
Eggs enter smart pods, environment-controlled packaging units. Recyclable graphene cartons adapt.
Self-driving electric vehicles deliver eggs across the city using calculated by climate-aware AI.
Beef production is a highly structured, multi-stage process that connects farmers, nutritionists, veterinarians.
As calves grow, they move to natural pastures. Here they graze freely on grass, while farmers manage. The journey begins with selecting genetically superior cows and bulls. Farmers use modern tools such as artificial.
In the early months, calves stay with their mothers and drink nutrient-rich milk. Later, they are gently weaned and introduced to balanced starter feed.
When cattle reach a certain maturity, they enter the finishing stage. They receive a carefully designed diet of grains.
Once the cattle reach market weight, they are transported to an approved processing facility.
No. At the facility, animals are handled humanely and processed according to national food safety standards.
Once chilled, the carcasses move to the fabrication area. They are first reduced into primal cuts: chuck, rib, loin, round. Packaged beef enters a strict cold chain system. Refrigerated trucks maintain temperatures between 0 and 4 degrees Celsius. At the store, consumers choose from various cuts, each representing months of nutrition, care, inspection, and distribution.